So hello and welcome you all to Sailtomdsacademy Dental Academy. I am Dr. Malay Trivedi, pediatric dentist and assistant professor in College of Dental Sciences. So my dear aspirants, today we are going to talk about very important notice from Army Dental Corps. So they have announced short service commission post for the dental surgeon. So those budding dentists who want to be the Army dental surgeon, you people have a good chance to apply for that. So let us see in this video all the important details regarding the present notice. I have already uploaded one video regarding all the basic details of the Army Dental Corps. So in that I explain about the salary part, then about the interview part, the basic requirements of the interview. So if you want to watch that video, the I button is given above as well as the link is given in description box. So in this video I'm going to talk all the important information regarding the latest information from the Army Dental Commission. So remember the website, you have to apply from the authenticate website, that is joinindianarmy.nic.in. Helpline number is there, email is there. In chance if you make any major mistake, you can contact them. Then the counseling mode is online. The basic eligibility is NEETMDS is required. Let us see the important point. How many seats are there? Remember aspirants, good chance, 37 seats are there. Qualification BDS is required, minimum 55% in final year. If it is less than that, then you are not eligible. Then MDS, if you are, then it is good. Internship completion, so those budding dentists who have just passed out, remember your internship should be completed before 31st March 2021 and you should have either permanent or provisional degree certificate. So those students who have just passed out, they should have provisional degree certificate, and the older student, they should have permanent degree certificate. Age limit is 21 to 45 years. What is the last day of form filling? Very important to remember. It is 18th May. So please aspirant, don't wait till 18th May. Try to fill before 13th or 14th May. So if any problem is there, we can call them and we can edit and we can correct them. And also don't do hustle bustle. I want to fill form today only. Have proper idea, have proper thought, and then go for form filling. Then selection procedure is very simple. First you have to give NEETMDS. After that online registration that you have to do on joinindianarmy.nic.in, then they will announce merit list. After that, interview will be there, and based on interview they are going to prepare final list, and after that they will conduct medical examination and the perfect list of 37 students will be announced by them, and those lucky students will serve Indian Army. Then what are documents needed? So before filling form, have all the documents in your laptop. So the form filling become very easy. Please aspirants, scan clear documents. Don't have the documents of the very poor quality. Have proper quality documents. So first you require a class 10 matriculation certificate which give the proof of age. Then NEETMDS 2021 admit card, 2021 scorecard, final year BDS mark sheet, BDS and MDS degree certificate, Rotary internship completion certificate, your state council registration, and your proof of nationality. Then if the other card is there, you have to write the number, and if you change any name after 10th class, that document also you have to submit. Then your BDS or MDS college must be recognized by DCI, and NOC if you are working in any government or in any private college. Then aspirant, you have to upload the proper photograph, and in case if you clear the interview and all that, we require 5 additional passport size photograph in hard copy. So have everything ready. Then aspirant, form filling guidelines. I'm not going to show you each and every step, but all the important points I'm going to show. So when you click on joinindianarmy.nic.in, go in officer selection menu bar. In that, click on Army Dental Corps, so you will get this window. In this window, add your qualification, your BDS, MDS, percentage, your NEETMDS roll number, your date of birth, and whether you are Indian or not. So after, if you are eligible, the apply word will come, and after you apply, this page is going to open, in which you have to upload your personal information, contact details, your BDS details, NEETMDS, details of MDS. Then you have to upload your documents which I have mentioned in the previous slides, and then you have to go for the payment. Remember, you can go for the online payment. And aspirant, whenever you do this online payment, have the receipt of online payment with you. So all the important documents like NEETMDS admit card, scorecard, what the form you have filled, and as well as payment details. All these documents are very important during your interview because they are going to check very strictly each and every documents. So dear aspirants, that was all. If anybody want to join NEETMDS, INICET, Government Dental Exam, Test Series or Lecture Series, it is open. You can contact me. The details are on the screen. Till then, aspirant, take care. Any doubt is there while filling form or anything, you can contact me.